Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Freepik Space and how you can create variations of images of one product within minutes. So you can create images and videos as well. Let me just play for you guys what I have created. So you can see this is the product here. And this is the second product you can see here as well. And this is created within 10 minutes. So this is the template that I am using, and I'm going to share you the template as well in the description so you can check it out. And if you want to create it from scratch, I'm going to show you in a minute how you can do that with just one prompt. You can have lots of images as you guys can see here. So if I double click it here, you can see the variations that we have. This is the second one, this is the third one, you can see here as well. So we have lots of variations here which you can basically create with the help of Freepik Spaces within minutes. So let me just show you how you can actually do it. So let's just go to Magnific. Sorry, I'm used to Freepik, but it's now Magnific. So let's just go to Magnific here. And once you log in, you will find this window here. What we are going to do, we are going to go to Spaces directly. And here I am going to create a new space. So let's just name it Paperboat because I'm going to create a Paperboat advertisement. So let's just rename this here and let's just name it to Paperboat Guava. And this prompt that I'm going to share with you guys is going to work on any product that you have. You just need to paste the product and the product link. That's it. So let's just start now by importing our product image. So let's just right click here and click on upload, and I'm going to go to downloads, and here is my image, reference image that I am going to use. Now you can create variations as well from different angles, but right now I'm not going to do that because it is going to take much more time and advanced workflow. So I am going to cover it in next videos maybe. Now let's just go to our right click here, and what we need to do, we need to have a assistant here. And assistant is simply nothing but just a LLM model. You can either go for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Sonnet, or Claude Opus, up to you guys. And here I'm going to give you a prompt which you can just copy and paste. So let me just go to my original file here, and this is the prompt here. So I'm going to do Control C, and here I'm going to paste it out again by doing Control V. And this prompt I'm going to give in description as well along with the Freepik space here. And here what you need to do, you don't need to do anything here. You need to just have your product page link, and that's it. You are ready to go. Let me just explain you quickly what it has here. So let me just close here. So this prompt should be tailored to the product features, packaging, branding, target audience, category, benefits, and all that stuff. And you can see here, these are all the things that I have written basically with the help of LLM model. What actually it should look like, what a concept variety it should have, like a hero campaign, visual lifestyle inspired advertisement, product benefit visualizations. So there are lots of things here. Again, you can go through it if you want to go, but you just need to copy and paste the product link. So I'm just going to do Control C and Control V here. Now before doing anything, you need to connect this to your image as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it here. So this is now going to act as a reference. Now before running this, you can see I am on a premium plus plan, so I run on 0 credits. But before doing this, you need to make sure that you export as list. So list is basically a node, so it will give 10 outcomes of the products. You can see here it's written 10. You can do 100 as well or 20 as well depending on your requirement. I'm going to start with 10, but you can have like 20, 100 images within few minutes. That's it. Now just make sure to export it as list, and let's just click on run. Now what this is going to do, actually this is going to think the prompt that I have shared, and it is going to give me 10 scenarios automatically in a list node, that this 10 images are going to be created with this 10 prompts, which are now going to be generated with the prompt that I have given. So let's just wait it for a bit to complete, and I will be back. Now you can see the list node is now generated, and you can see we have exactly 10 images here. Sorry, not 10 images, 10 prompts here. And you can see these are all the 10 prompts which are exported as a list. Now we have 10 image prompts of a same product with different concepts. So now what we need to do, we need to make sure that we export it as list. So just make sure you export it as list, and just here add a image generator, because first we need to generate our images here. Now before doing anything, just make sure you can zoom in and zoom out with control and scroll. Just make sure that you connect your reference image here as well. Okay, so Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro or GPT image will understand that. And here I'm going to make sure that I'm going to select the model that I want. You can go for Nano Banana 2, you can go for Nano Banana Pro as well, and you can go for the latest image GPT-2, which you can use here as well. So you can see, if I click on this, I am going to make sure that I'm going for Instagram social media ads. So let's just do 9:16 here, and you can see it's going to cost me 3000 credits here. So if you want to just click on run, it is going to create 10 different images of the product, but I'm going to use here Nano Banana 2. So let's just scroll upwards here and let's just select Nano Banana 2. You can again go for Nano Banana Pro as well, but I'm going to select Nano Banana 2, and here I'm going to make sure that I'm in a 2K resolution, and here I'm going to run unlimited because I'm on a premium plus plan. I get 1 year unlimited Nano Banana 2. So I'm just going to click here, and now it is going to start generating 10 images for me in a list here. So you can see it's getting loaded here, like 2 images, 3 images, 4, and here you can see the update as well, 5, 6. So once this is completed, I'm going to be back and we are just ready to go with our 10 images here. This is how easy it is to create these images. So let's just click on pause and I will be back once this is done. So now the images are generated, but I found one thing that is not looking good. So you can see these are looking really good, but you can see we are not getting that paperboard branding here, here as well, and here as well. So what I can do, I can check my prompt of what mistakes I have did. So I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to make sure to check my prompt. So you can see here the prompt should be tailored. Okay, this is looking nice, and I'm going to go downward, and here you can see the mistake is this. So I'm just going to make sure that I don't do this mistake when I share the prompt. Just make sure that using the reference image as inspiration create. So use the reference image which we need to use here. Use the reference image product exactly as it is. Okay, so now you can see we have written this, and now I can again rerun this. So what I can do, I can just click here and I can just click here as well. So we can just rerun this. So run from here or this node only. So I'm just going to make sure that I run this node only. And now I'm going to get 10 more stuff here. So this is how you can actually do it. So I will be back once this is done. So now the prompt is generated, and now you can see use the reference image product exactly as it is. So now this is ready, and what we are going to do, we are going to run unlimited, run from here, and now you can see we are going to run it from here, and you can also run the whole node process as well. So just click here and just run 3 nodes, and it is going to start here, and you can see it's getting started here, but you can see the old images as well. So what I can do, I can just select them and delete them as well. So you can just select here by selecting the 9 images that are here, or you can wait here and just select the images that you don't want to see. So it's again up to you guys, but let's say I like this image here, which you can see here, paperboard swing plus, and I like this image and I want to expand this out. So it's really to expand, easy to expand. Just click here, add to board, and you can see here we have this image now. This is how easily you can do that. And let's just delete it here, and now you can actually see that yeah, this is using this paper boat drink now exactly as the reference image. So let me just open it by double clicking here. You can see, yeah, this branding is not looking good here. We can just check which is going to look nice. This is actually looking really good. So what I can do, I can just expand it here. Let's just check this out. This is also looking really nice here. Let's just check this as well. You can see this is also looking nice. The bottle scale is not that good, but you can see the result here, and this is also looking really good. You can see this as well. Okay, so what I can do, I can just make this bigger as well. You can see, and this is some concept work. Like you can see the wave of the guava here, and so you can definitely try that out as well. And yeah, this is looking nice. So let's just now animate this image. So what you can do, just click on here, just click here, and you can directly do a video generator here. So let's just do this and this as well. So I'm just going to click here, and let's just do a image video generator. And I'm going to make sure that I have the aspect ratio of 9:16. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I'm using a auto model. You can use Siddharth 2.0 as well, but here I'm going to make right here animate the image for advertisement, and that's it. I'm going to make sure that it's 5 to 6 seconds with sound, and you can just click on run, and it's going to create a video for me. It's going to tell me that credits will be used 741. I'm just going to confirm that okay, use this credits here, and you can see the generation has now started. And this is how easily you can create lots of images. I like this image as well, so let me just open it for you guys. You can see this is also looking really good. Okay, so this is how easily you can create lots of ads within minutes and select whichever looks the best as per your requirement. I'm going to share this template here by doing the change here, so you can just make sure that it's basically the same. So you can see I have done the same things here. You can see the result here as well. I'm just going to make sure use the reference image. Using the reference image, create, and that then it is going to start. And here you can see use the reference image as inspiration. No, use the reference image for visual quality lighting, and you can see here always remain the clear focal point. You can see exactly now this is perfect, and I'm going to share you this as well, so you can use it from here if you are on Freepik subscription, and if you are not, you can just copy and paste. I'm going to provide the prompt in the link in the description. You can directly download the doc file, go to any LLM like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, just copy and paste with your product, and you will get the same result that I have given you. But instead of that, you are going to get much more better. Not better, actually your process will be much more harder, because then you need to copy paste, but here you can do exactly within minutes. So you can see the results here. Now let's just go back to our this, and let's just wait till this is done. I'm going to be back. So the video is now done. Let me just play it for you guys by double clicking it here. And you can see this is looking nice. These are two shots basically, but I can definitely take this till here, and then I can have one more shot which I have basically created, and we can combine it, because if you know, apart from sedans, the video models that are available are not that much great after 3 to 4 seconds, but sedans and Kling 3.0 are really powerful in this. And let's just see which model they have used. So for this to render, so let's just go back. Let's just go to video generators here. And here you can see it has used actually sedans 2 here, but you can see it's 720, and I think it's sedans fast, because I can tell it from the look. It's not basically 1080, but it's really good here. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have learned how you can actually create ads. I am again going to share you this what I have created, but I'm going to update it for you guys before sharing, so you can actually have a look at it and use it with just your product. You just need to make sure that you have your product here. Just paste the link, the product, and you are ready to go. Just upload the product, paste the link, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have learned something new. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends who wants to learn AI, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.